Right now I'm going to log into our CMS, which is called Veracross. So I'm logged in here. And then if I want to go to the library hosted page, which is hosted by Finalsite, I click there. I have to log in again. Okay, so I just wanted to show you, so we just added the Libwizard tutorial to one of our LibGuides for now, but I wanted to show you some issues. So if I go to begin, this is fine. Okay, this is fine. We just aren't sure if this is a Follett software issue and what we need to do, but this pops up, but then if we click on an actual icon, the book doesn't open. So let's see, we can open the URL and then get the information. It's just, the students, it helps if things are as seamless as possible. I just wanted to show you that. Okay. This is another Follett. Oops. Okay, so now we've opened one of our LibGuides, and let me just go into the pages. Okay, so when we're here, some websites open and databases too, and others don't. So for instance, the Washington Post has been opening. But the New York Times isn't. We just thought that was strange. Okay, the Poetry and Short Story Reference Center, which is an EBSCO database, that's opening. We're on campus, so it's obviously authenticating, but it's also working with the frames. Okay, but JSTOR, which is popular, that is not. Let's see, MLA International Bibliography will probably work. Let's see. Well, it's not. I'm not sure what's happening. Okay, let's see if Gale works. That works. Britannica works. Okay. Okay, that's working fine. And there was another question. Oh, the public library doesn't work. So we click on DC Public Library. That doesn't work. WorldCat, that doesn't work. Anyway, we were just wondering, what do you think? Do you think it's all the outside websites that we need to, I don't know, do we need to contact them? What do we need to do to get some of these things to work? Or are we going to have to open these web? Well, see, for this one, we're not even getting the option to open up in a different tab. So anyway, those are my questions. Thank you.